Hello everyone, welcome to Sources Classes. So in this video again we have come up with a very interesting question for you, a question from geometry and basically angles and triangles. Okay, so this sort of questions are quite prevalent when it comes to examination like GMAT and GRE, where similar sort of questions can be asked in different ways. So we have taken up one of them, so a very similar sort of question that we will be discussing in this video, and then subsequently we'll try and solve the same so that whenever we come across a question such as this, we are easily able to solve this question in general. Okay, so having said that, let us just focus on the question. ABCD is a square of side 8 centimeter. Angle DAP is 30 degree. Find the area of triangle APB. Okay, so let's try and draw the diagram on a little bit bigger scale. Say this is a square, this is our diagonal, okay, and this B. Okay, so now let me name each and every side. So this is A, B, C, D, P, and this is 30 degrees. Okay, so since this is 30 degrees, this will be 60 degree. Okay, now since do you have any other value? No, as of right now, no values in general. So okay, so now as we can see, BD is the diameter, therefore this angle and this angle will be equal, that is 45 degree and 45 degree. Okay, both these angles. So this again 90, so this angle again becomes 45 because both sides, so it's 90. Again this angle 45 degree, so therefore this one will be 75 degrees. Okay, so 120 plus is 180. Okay, now also if I focus on this, this will be 105 degree. Okay, 158 degrees. Okay, so we have figured out all the angles in this regards. Now if we focus on triangle APB, using sine law we can write AB by sine 75, AB by sine 75 equal to AP by sine 45 equal to BP by sine 60. Okay, so therefore if we again focus on the same, therefore AP can be given as, we know AB is 8, so 8 into sine 45 by sine 75. Okay, so sine 75 is root 3 by it's given over here. Okay, sine 71 value, so we know 8 into 1 by root 2 divided by root 3 plus 1 by 2 root 2. Okay, so in this regards, so 2 we can write AP as equal to 32 by root 3 plus 1. Okay, so therefore area of triangle APB can be given by using sine law, half AP PB sine 60. Okay, you can write this, so therefore AP are 48 minus 16 root 3, if we solve the same, centimeter square. This will be our answer, option D. Okay, So I hope this particular question is clear to you. So hopefully all the things that we discussed in this particular question is clear. In case you have any doubt, kindly go through the entire problem. That should give you plenty of good idea regarding the approach involved. Okay. Now, having said that, if you like the video, make sure you like, share and subscribe to the channel so they can keep coming up with relevant content such as this. And also, if you're looking for detailed solution of similar sort of questions pertaining to all the three different sections, feel free to connect with us and we'll be more than happy to help you out in that regard as well. Okay, so please feel free to connect with us along these lines. Now, having said that, if you like the video, please like, share and subscribe to the channel. So with that said, I'll be signing out. Thank you so much.